If you've been thinking about starting a digital product business, now is the perfect time to get started. We literally have 3 more months before 2025 is over, and I want you guys to know that now is the time for you to really take control of your life and to really buckle down and to start this business. Now, if you've been saying all year that you wanted to start a digital product business and you have yet to start it, listen to me very carefully when I say now is the time to do so. Right now, if you start your digital product business before the year is out, you can literally make at least 10K if you are consistent. Now, how do I know this? For the last 5 months, I've been posting and I have not been as consistent as I could have been, and I was still able to make $12,000 within the last 5 months. Now I just started becoming consistent and I'm starting to see more sales. Now, let me tell you guys the reason I say now is the perfect time for you to get started. If you start posting content, you will literally start to show up in the algorithm more and more, and you will be seen on people's news feed way more than what you normally would be in the beginning of the year. Now, when I talk about this, I'm specifically talking about here on YouTube, because on YouTube, creators make way more money at the end of the year and at the first beginning of the year compared to any other time. So if you were to start a digital product business and you were to start posting content here on YouTube, I guarantee you will get put in front of your audience. You can explode your YouTube channel, but you can also start making consistent sales from your digital product business. Now, how do I know this? This is not my first YouTube channel. I actually have another YouTube channel that I started around 2021. And when I tell you guys, at the end of every year, YouTube pushes content creators more and more because advertisers are willing to pay more money at the end of the year and like the first 2 and 3 months of the year, because it's the holidays and they know that people are spending way more money than what they normally do. So we have Halloween coming up, we have Thanksgiving coming up, we have Christmas coming up, and then at the beginning of the year, people begin to get their income taxes. So because all of this commotion is going on, now is the perfect time for you to get serious and to lock in. We have 3 months before the year is out, and just imagine if you start your digital product business, what can happen for you. Even if you start your digital product business, not only that, imagine if you start your digital product business right now and you also start your YouTube channel right now to promote your digital products. Imagine what would happen if not only you start to get consistent sales from selling digital products, but you also become monetized on YouTube. Just those 2 streams of income alone can literally be life-changing for you for 2026. Like, we literally have 3 more months, you guys, before 2025 is over, and then we are literally into a new year. So just imagine if you were to take the rest of this year to go ahead and get your digital product up and launched so that you can start creating content and you can begin to drive traffic to your digital product business, but you will also be able to make another stream of income from here on YouTube. So when I tell you guys now is the perfect time, you need to go ahead and get started. And if you're saying, you're ready to get started, but you don't know what to sell, you don't know what to do, I want you guys to get started with a PLR digital product. A PLR digital product is a private label right product. That means that you have the rights to resell this digital product as your own. You get to change the cover, add to it, take away from it. If you want to put your name on it, if you want to change the cover photo, like anything that you want to do, you're able to change it up to brand it as your own. But this is the thing that a lot of people fail to realize with selling PLR digital products. When you start with a PLR digital product, you don't want to just resell the same thing that you are buying from someone. You want to add to it so that it still feels as if it's coming from your brand. Even if you want to go a step further, you can buy multiple PLR digital products and you can bundle them together so that you're able to drive traffic and give out valuable information in a specific industry, which is called a niche. So a lot of people start with PLR digital products, but they don't know how to drive traffic and how to still educate and teach people in order for them to start seeing sales. When it comes to starting with a PLR digital product, you still want to make sure you have a niche and a target audience. I don't care what kind of PLR digital product you start with, you still need to make sure that you are solving a specific problem. You want to still make sure that you're showing up and you're giving valuable information. You want to make sure that you're teaching and you're educating in your specific field, but your digital product, that PLR digital product that you're going to use, it can help your audience in some type of way. So let's just say, for instance, if you wanted to purchase my PLR digital product vault. So what I have is a PLR mini course that teaches you step by step of how to get started and how to launch your first digital product in 24 hours. And you guys, you can literally start with this, and I'm giving you a PLR vault full of different digital products to choose from. Let's say that you purchase this course. This course is going to teach you how to get started, but inside this course, I also give you different products to choose from. So because it's different products, what you can do is go inside of this course and you can choose different PLR digital products that you want to bundle together. So that way your business is standing out from someone else who may start with the same PLR digital products. And if you want to even go a step further, take it and ask ChatGPT to help you to come up with something to add to this PLR digital product. So let's just say, okay, inside of this course, I give you different digital products about digital product marketing. I give you 200 done for you planners that you can resell. I give you different journals, like different topics and different ebooks, like in self-care and money management, in finances and wellness. There are so many different things. So just say, for instance, if you want to go into the money industry, what you want to do is take one of the budgeting books, you want to take one of the wealth ebooks, and you want to make that into a digital product bundle. So instead of you just selling one thing specifically where someone else may be selling that one thing, you're actually taking it and you're making it into a bundle. You're giving them multiple things in one. So if you were to sell that for $27, you guys, you can literally start making consistent sales, because people like for you to give them an easy route. So if you wanted to take this PLR digital product and you wanted to make it into a bundle and you stick it for $27, you're going to make $25 from profit for each sale that you get from this digital product. So all you need is 4 sales a day in order for you to make $100. And that's a digital product that you never created, and you're still giving valuable information, because you're going to help people to understand about wealth. You can specifically talk about budgeting. You can talk about tracking, their money. You can help them to manage their money. And then on the side of that, that means now you have a digital product that's teaching them budgeting. You're giving them a budgeting tracker. You're giving them an ebook around the topic of budgeting or wealth or whatever. So you guys, it's a no-brainer. Like, you still talk about the valuable information. You still make sure you're educating. You still make sure you're showing up and you're teaching them why they need this certain topic. But then your digital product is going to be the problem solver. It's going to be what helps them to get from A to B. So a lot of people miss this mark because they're trying to force digital products. They're selling digital products. Don't sell digital products. Sell the solution to a problem. And once you begin to see it from that perspective, now your audience understands, okay, this is why I need this digital product. It's not about the digital product. It's about the problem that it's solving for me. This digital product is helping me to make more money. This digital product is helping me to start saving money. This digital product is helping me to understand why my finances are the way they are. Like, I don't want to work a second job. So because I don't want to work a second job, job, this digital product is helping me to see how to budget so that I can quit this second job. You know, like, you have to talk about things in that kind of way so that people understand this is why they need to buy from you. Stop trying to make this complicated. Selling digital products is uncomplicated, but a lot of people make it complicated. Stop trying to reinvent the wheel and do what works, which is solving problems. Be the person who solved the problem, and everything else will be effortlessly. You don't want to just say, hey, I got this digital product, you know, come and purchase it from me. Hey, this money bundle, come and get that. No. I want to help you to understand how I was able to save 10K in 30 days by me budgeting. Which one sounds better? You saying that you're helping them to save 10K in 30 days by budgeting, right? So now they are interested in why they want this digital product. Your digital product is going to help them to make 10K by saving from budgeting. Like, that's how you have to talk, and that's how you have to show up and educate your audience. Think, y'all. Think. When you go and purchase something, why are you purchasing it? You're purchasing it because it's something you need. It's something that is giving value to you. So when you look at digital products, this is how you have to look at it. So now is the time. Let's go ahead and get into it. I want y'all to stop making excuses, and I want you to stop saying that you cannot get started. You can absolutely get started. $37 is all you need for my course to teach you step by step of how to get lunch in 24 hours, as well as how to make your first 10K in 4 months. So go ahead and get that down below so that you can get started. But if you're saying, you know, I'm not ready yet, I still need more information about digital products, go down below and also grab your freebie, where I'm teaching you guys more in depth about digital products and why you need to get started with digital products. And I'm also giving you a bonus, which is 100 digital product ideas that you can go ahead and get started with. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you back here on my next video. Bye.